Hello. In PELRC, that is Pro Engineers Learning and Research Center, we have a team of engineers, doctors, researchers and scientists. Here we actually believe that everyone should get practical oriented knowledge. Every child, every person, every educationist must understand that if we will learn the things, we understand more. So for that we started this center since 2014, and so far we have delivered a number of sessions, counseling sessions as well as learning sessions to many students. Now one can ask question, why PELRC and what is the necessity of PELRC? So answer for this is here in Pro Engineers Learning and Research Center, we give practical sessions to each and every child, because until and unless one should learn it with the practical hands-on experience, no one, he or she cannot understand the things clearly. For an example, if any student need to learn something about series and parallel combinations of resistors, so he or she must understand what all things are there inside the resistor, why all they are connected. Very basic question. Usually we ask this question to each and every candidate, those who have graduated or engineer, in which combination all these appliances are connected, electrical appliances are connected, and very easily, surprisingly, they give answer, it is in series. So this is the major reason, since from the 8th standard student does not understand that if the resistances are connected in series, current remains same, and if one gets off, then everyone will get off. It means all the appliances are in parallel. This is the very basic example through which I need to explain. If we learn something practically, we remember it throughout our life, and that is most important, and that is the reason why we started Pro Engineers Learning and Research Center. If someone wants to become engineer, he or she must learn it from the engineer. If someone wants to become doctor, so that candidate should learn that things from doctor. Similarly, whomsoever will attend the sessions at PELRC, we have team of all the engineers, doctors, scientists, architects, entrepreneurs, and the best part is one will get the added advantage of entrepreneurship skills, personality developments, Vedic maths, robotics. Again, we have computer labs. We have all the practical setups along with us. We are teaching on the digital board, and all the faculties are masters and PhD holders. Now, if someone walks into our center looking at the setup, benches, board and teacher, everyone think that this is a plain tuition or classes, but I wanted to explain this. It is not at all classes or purely coaching. It is actually a learning and research center where we understand the need of that candidate. We try to develop the schedule according to that candidate's necessity and the development, and based on that, that candidate will get the learning perspectives from our well experienced and qualified trainers. Instead of teacher, I must call them as trainers, because they not even train the students or candidate for their curriculum, but they train them for their personality and future.